everyone, it's Tammy, and today is the third card using this Party Pandas really sweet stamp set that's only available through Stampin' Up! During Celebration, which ends March 31st. And this is part of the Celebration catalog, and this is where you can order $50 or more of stuff, and for every $50 increment you can pick something free out of this catalog. So it's a really great time to purchase something or whatever, get something, and then get something free. And here is the little cute little stamp set, and again, it's free with $50 purchase. You can get wood blocks, you can get clear blocks, and it's even available in French if you need it. But it does come in rubber stamps. So there's 7 rubber stamps in here, and it has just been a lot of fun to work with, and I think that you guys will like this last card too. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to do it yet, but I know I want to use this little balloon guy. I haven't used him yet, and I am using one of our in colors, which is called Tranquil Tide, and this is one of the 2017, 2018, or 2017 through 2019 in colors. So I'm going to go ahead and make my card base, and to do that I'm just cutting an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper down, and on the long side I'm going to cut it in half at 5.5, and then on the other side I'm going to score it in half at 4.25. And this will make a regular A2 sized card, and you can burnish the edge with your bone folder to make it perfect. So that's the card base, and then I pulled out this designer series paper, which is in the color Tranquil Tide, and a card stock, and then also some black. And I think I'm going to use all of them. I'm not positive. I'm kind of actually leaning toward white with this instead of the black. But let's go ahead and cut this sheet down. I'm going to cut it at, let's do 1.5 inches. And then I'm going to cut it 1.5 inches by, let's go 5 1/4. If I want it shorter, I can do it a little shorter. I think we'll put that about right there. And then I'm gonna go with the just regular cardstock, and I'm gonna cut this down at, let's say, actually I'm not going to cut it down yet. I'm going to wait, but I am going to cut it down, just not yet. First I'm going to stamp the cute little panda on a piece of Whisper White. And I may use the Happy Birthday sentiment, I'm not sure yet. That's the one I'm looking at if I want to use one. So all of the rubber stamps come with a little paper backing, and all you have to do is peel that off and toss it. You don't have to keep that. And then I'm going to use the basic black. And get it all nice and inked up. And then I'm just going to stamp him down. Just like that. I'm cleaning them off with my Stampin' scrub, with the Stampin' Mist. I'm going to go ahead and put this away for now, but I might get it out if I decide to use a sentiment. So I'm going to cut this down so it is like this, and I'm going to cut a little bit off each side. Like so. And then I'm going to take this, and I'm going to cut this down cut it this way. And I can center it up on that. I want that like that. I think I will use the black. So I'm not giving you any dimensions because really it's just according to the size of the stamp. So whatever stamp you use, you just want to, you know, make your border. Yeah, I think that's cute. And then I think I will do a happy birthday. And I have this left over. So I'm going to do a happy birthday in that. Yikes. I'll take my basic black. Ink that up really well. And I did that a little crooked, and since I'm just going to throw this away, this will make it easier if I do it straight. This one's kind of tough to get straight because the stamp is kind of wonky in itself. There we go. So it's hard to tell when you're looking at the side, you know, how it's going to be straight. That's where I like the clear stamps. But I like the way rubber stamps, so it's kind of a toss-up for me. I like both. They both have their pros and cons. All right, so now that I've stamped, whoops, that, I'm going to cut that out. And I think I'm going to just cut a little tab on each end. And then I also think I'm going to take my Tranquil Tide marker. I was going to use my ink, but the marker will fit better. I'm just going to run along the edge to give it a little bit of a color. I'm going to do this to all of the edges. Decided to go in a little further, so now I'm wrestling with that because it's not easy to keep it steady. Oh, and I also want to color his balloon. And someone had asked me about these markers, and I love them. I think that they put out a lot of color. They seem to last a long time. They remind me of the Tombow ones. I love that they're matchy-matchy to the rest of the things, like they're to the paper and stuff. I really like that. So I recommend these markers. I think they're great. Alright, so now I think that we can assemble the card. I had messed up on that one on yesterday's card, I think. Or 2 days ago card. I'm just centering this up. And centering this one up. Putting this one over on the edge a little bit. And then I think I'll get out some dimensionals. I have a little smudge right there, so I'm going to try to cover that up. There we go. And then I'm kind of thinking I might put a little rhinestone. And there we go. There is card number 3. I hope that you guys like it, and I think it turned out really cute. Minus the cat hair that's in there. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope that you have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.